two of them ran a red light together. They crashed. Pay the money. Ouch, 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 ouch. Is it a knife for everything? Is it fruit? Knife. A kitchen knife. A fruit knife. Go. Fight. Hehehehe. Fighting. One of them can't run away. You go. It's these four people driving the two beauties. And two guys driving two supercars. Drove two supercars, racing on Julu Ridge Road. Comparing to scrap a car. Hey, fuck, are they okay? Are they okay? Two young guys. Huh? I'm 20. Fuck. Call the police. You come over here. You're not pulling me over. Must hand over what car? No, I won't. I won't drive again. I'm my master. I won't drive again. We're all chasing me. Damn it. Pressing on my leg. You don't let me drive the other car. Ow, ow, ow. Take a deep breath. Habit of not filling up. Yeah, it has anti-pinch function, but it's useless. Really? You pinched your hand. Oh, sorry. Wow, you pressed down on the hand too much. Let me try. It's a really great car. It really is me. If you had a summer vacation. The kids are riding electric vehicles. I also saw a phone. They bumped into each other. You run around. Damn. Go help him. Don't move, don't go in, don't laugh. Don't run later. Scared the hell out of me. Are you going to do something? Don't laugh, don't laugh, don't laugh. You call the police. Hurry up and call the police. Hey, hey, what the hell are you doing? Grabbing around? You damn dog. Don't die. It's normal for them to even sit on a stool. The police are here. You want the police? Please, station staff. Please. This is all gasoline. This is added, there's Han. Where? There's some here too. Came to visit relatives. Isn't this it? It's gasoline. How much is this? This is all gasoline. Kilogram long 986. Why didn't I bring this in after school? You're the head of the family, running a music store. I have to bully the head of the family, right? Why are you afraid of the smell spreading? Afraid of people complaining? I also don't care about the opinions. Isn't it dangerous to bring gasoline on the car? Right? I haven't left this bag all day. The bag hasn't left me. You have so much gasoline. You used that train. If it catches fire, the damn train will be gone. I didn't do what we were supposed to do. It's over, next time I'll be late. Just don't mark it. Go fishing at the gate or go to Tibet. Don't even fish at the gate. Not enough people missing a dead girl. So you mean we took it? No need. We don't look at this. You said the amount of money inside is wrong. Yes. I've already called the police. You said to report the wrong thing. At that time, there were only me and the master in the car. Search the car. You can search me too, Oh gave 1,000 yuan. You don't need to say these things. The police are here to handle it. Get in the car, that's right. Come on, who brought the younger brother? I don't believe you. Why are you on the road? You check it. You said it yourself. Just this person checks. I won't go. What's going on? This is it. We are driving normally on the road. Overtaking. Can you pass on that small road? Tell me. Want to overtake. Didn't want to overtake. Why are you riding my car? Tell me. What are you doing? We are driving normally. Just come up and ride. I am white. You white check, Ant. What did we do? You want to talk about road patrol and inspection. We have contraband too. There's nothing. Waving to stop on the road. Does his car just come here and yell? This guy is like a robbery. Just come up and wave.